You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this French football player, soccer player. If you want to learn more confusing names from football, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you you'll definitely want to hear and learn from. Pronounced in French in France as Warren Zaïre-Emery. Warren Zaïre-Emery. In English, if you cannot pronounce French perfectly, you can say Warren, or Warren, you could say Zaïre-Emery. Warren Zaïre-Emery. From French, Warren Zaïre-Emery. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.